Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by isolating power. Disconnect the 12V battery to prevent sparks while you work. Once done, remove the instrument cluster bolts and set screws aside in order so reassembly is exact. Now inspect wiring and connectors closely. Look for frayed insulation, corroded pins, or a loose ground. These cause most RPM failures. You're doing this to narrow the fault quickly. Replacing parts blindly wastes money and time. Keep a flashlight and small mirror to see hidden contacts. Next, trace the RPM signal path from the alternator or ignition coil to the meter. Follow the colored wire and verify connector stability. Use a multimeter on AC/HC or DC pulse mode to check for a 0-12V pulse or frequency when the engine cranks. No pulse means upstream issue. Once you confirm a signal at the source, test continuity along the harness. Broken strands or high resistance show internal damage. If you have a spare cluster or harness, swap briefly to repair damaged wiring by cutting back to clean copper, soldering joints, and covering with heat shrink. This restores reliable conductivity and prevents future breaks. Replace any corroded connector pins and secure the cluster with original screws. Torque gently to avoid cracking the plastic. Reconnect the 12V battery, start the engine, and observe RPM behavior at idle and rev. If readings are still erratic, make sure the signal wire has a solid chassis ground and is shielded away from ignition coils. Poor grounding is the common remaining culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.